Let's first take a look at the lesson plan. So we just covered the overview, and next we will cover the setup. We will look at the essential documents that we need to review, and we will look at the tools. We will also review the ARM microcontroller setup process. Then we will start writing a minimum bare metal code. We will create a linker script. We will write a startup assembly code. We will have a make file so that we can automate the compilation process. Then finally we will add a C code. We'll flash it on our microcontroller using OpenOCD, and we will debug it through GDB so that we can know that the code is working and it is going where we want it to. And after these initial steps are done, we will try to extend the code so that it can blink an LED, and then we can establish an user interface through UART. After that, we will code the context switch, and I will provide an overview of interrupts, interrupt vector table, and co-registers. We'll discuss about how context switching works, and then we will code the context switch in C and the creation and deletion of tasks. And after that, finally, we will cover some of other topics and we will conclude our course.